Hi kids, welcome to Jason Bricks. I am Jason Bricks and this is episode 4. I have the 3-in-1 Lego Creator Set, Shuttle Explore. I was at the Lego store and I had to pick this up. I saw this and I'm like, wait a minute, where did this come from? I've never seen this before. Clearly, I'm a little bit blind. But it's fine, it's okay. That's why I have glasses. We're gonna build this. Are you ready? Cue the music. Let's be honest, episodes 1, 2, and 3, they were pretty awesome. But this one, we are talking about space and Legos combined. We get space Lego. Because why? They're amazing. Ever since I was a kid, that's all I had. Space Police, Futuron, Blacktron, Mtron, all the Trons. And as a matter of fact, we're gonna have a Lego Ideas Tron. I know, my wallet's gonna scream at me. It's like, what are you doing? Anyway, Space Shuttle Explorer, I'm gonna show it to you guys because it's gonna go great with another set. Are you ready? Do you know what that set is? Boom! NASA Apollo, Saturn V. Why aren't we building this set? We should be building this set. What are you doing teasing me with the Space Shuttle Explorer? I want to see the Saturn V. First, you have to watch this one, tell all your friends, and then I'll build this one. Boom. Oh, and there it is. Boom. Minifig number 1. There was no number on this bag. And then, small bag. Ooh. Instructions. Look at that. It's nice and sealed. There's literally 3 instruction manuals, each for whichever one you want to build. Another bag. Look at that. And then another small bag with all the little itty bitty pieces. Oh! There's the helmet. That's it, guys. All the bags. So we have a couple of big pieces here. The wings, the casing for the shuttle itself. Here we got the boosters. Here are more of the connecting pieces. So here are the instructions for the rover. Again, I don't know if it's actually called the rover, but I'm calling it the rover. The moon base, right? And the Shuttle Explorer. All right, let's open these up. Here is the set. This was actually a very, very well constructed piece of Lego. I mean, I feel like the detail on this is, it's pretty slick. Like, you can see the pieces here, how they have all the curvature, even in building the top parts here, there's more of the curve here. I'm not too crazy about this piece. I actually probably would have flipped it, but it's okay. It is what it is. But the visor or the window piece is pretty fun. It lifts right up, so you can get your minifig to sit inside. Inside, I know it's a little hard to see, but they have printed already on the piece itself is the computer and LED displays and all that stuff, which is a really nice touch. No stickers. Great for me. Maybe not so much for you, but it is really, really nice for me. He sits right in there, and then you can close that up. The wheels they use, there's no like actual rubber or tire tread, it's just the plastic piece itself, but they spin very nicely even on this cloth table, so I don't think you're gonna have any problems there. He also has what looks like to be, I'm gonna say I think they're solar panels, just because, you know, there's no place to charge up your rover in space or on a different planet. Here is the drill, very nice piece, just goes right in. And it's kind of compact. This, not so much. You're gonna have to turn this around from time to time, just so that I can, it doesn't really fit, it just sits on top like that. So, guys, this is the rover, one of 3 sets. let's go ahead and build the little, I call moon base. Alright guys, so I made the little moon base or Mars base, whichever planet you want to be on. So check it out. We have our little astronaut here playing at his little computer station, and the idea is that he is moving this around, collecting samples or doing work, that kind of thing. So pretty neat. This opens up. This is, clearly where he does all his research, or possibly where he sleeps. But this was really neat to build. Then you also have the solar panels, to power up the station or the little base. This also opens up. This could be his entrance, and that's where he walks in. I will say this though, they didn't complete a back part to this, so this doesn't close out 100%. I don't know if this is just more for accessibility, so they can go in and kids can play inside. But if this opens up, I feel like that should have been okay. So he can stand in there. There's not a lot of detail on the inside. There's just a few pieces that just kind of leave you to your imagination. Yeah, so this was a fairly simple building set. It's okay. I like the aesthetic of just of it looking like a nice moon base from this angle, and these little pieces here. Other than that, I actually like the rover a lot better. So let's actually now go into the Explorer set, shall we? Alright, and here is the Space Shuttle Explorer. I'm going to have to say, guys, this is a pretty solid build. We have the cockpit there that just lifts right up, and the computer screen inside, and our minifig can sit right in there. It just pops. There's no reclining piece or a movable piece, but yeah, it just sits right there. There are no landing gears. It's just meant to be a simple shuttle. So in the back we have the propulsion, we have the fin right here, which is very sturdy, doesn't move, and then we have part of the thruster propulsion piece, which moves slightly side to side. So we have the hull, which opens up, boom boom, and then we have the little arm here that can actually go ahead and clasp into our satellite. Click, and opens up, right? And these can kind of go out, and there you go. And that is the set, guys. I will say I'm a fan of the Space Shuttle Explorer. It's a pretty great addition to the space sets. My only complaint is that when the cargo hold, or like the hole here, actually closes, because there's no seamless piece to it, it actually gets kind of stuck in certain parts here and here, mainly in the back and the front where the cockpit is. So you have to kind of close that and put this back where it belongs. And there you are. Hey guys, so that's it. That's my Space Shuttle Explorer set, the Creator 3-in-1. I had a really good time building this set. Again, we have the compartment, opens up. We have the little satellite here, good times. We got our minifig ready to go. Thanks guys again. I really appreciate you tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and share with your friends my videos. Don't forget guys, we also have the NASA Apollo Saturn V rocket to build, as well as many other sets. We have Marvel, City, DC, so much more, and I have to pull from the archives. I cannot wait to show you. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Tumblr, even Facebook at JasonBrixHD. Again, subscribe here. Just click that little button right there. You see it? Click that, subscribe, share with your friends. I promise there's so much more in store. Cannot wait to share it with you. Have a good week, and I'll see you next time.